If you're in your 30s and you want to invest but you think it's too late, this is the last video you'll ever need to have a $1 million net worth in the next 5 years. My name is Preston. I quit my multi-six-figure job to help you become financially free. If this video helps you out, give me a follow and save this video for later. Here are the 3 strategies that I would use for the short, medium, and long term. For the short term, we're going to use the 50-40-10 rule. This is a spin-off of the 50-30-20 rule, but this is going to help you achieve financial freedom 10 times faster. 10% of your income is going to go towards your wants, like eating out, Taylor Swift tickets, etc. 40% is going to go towards your needs, like your housing and your transportation. And 50% is going to go towards your savings and investments. Number 2, we're going to focus on your long-term wealth through a Roth IRA. You can open up one of these on sites like Fidelity or Wealthfront. Roth IRAs are great because earnings and withdrawals are tax-free. You can contribute the max of $6,500 per year if you're 50 years or younger, and this is going to increase to $7,000 per year in 2024. My favorite ETFs and index funds to invest in are VTI, VOO, and SPY. VOO has a solid 11.92% return over the last 10 years. And here are some of the companies that make up VOO. Now, the third step is the medium term, which is the most important. And we're going to use something called the bridge method. You want to start a side business that can eventually turn into a full-time income. I have students that have been able to scale to over 5 figures per month like Rob. You're going to reach out to landlords that have properties listed for rent in tourist-friendly areas. You're going to negotiate a sublease agreement in exchange for free property management and extra rent where you have written permission to list it as a short-term rental. You can furnish the place with $10,000 to $20,000 depending on the size of the property, add amenities to stand out from the competition, and if you're running the numbers correctly, one property can generate $2,500 a month in cash flow. Save up that cash flow, within 12 months, you can have 4 to 5 of these, making you $10,000 plus per month in cash flow.